How to create location on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very interesting. I'll be teaching you how to create to change location on Bumble. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So basically, Bumble is just an app where you can meet your friends. You can meet friends in Bumble, people that are ready for a relationship, and you can just once you meet people that you like, or people meet you and they like you on Bumble, you can just start an online relationship. So it's basically about online dating. So back to the question, how to change location on Bumble. The first thing you have to do, make sure that you've installed the Bumble on your mobile phone on your Play Store. So once you've installed it, you open it on your mobile phone. Once you open it, this is the first thing you're gonna see. You see your at the top, at the upper part of the screen, you see the circle showing your profile picture, and you see your name, that's your username on Boom Boom with your age. And you also see other options here. You see the premium option, that if you want to subscribe to premium, if you want to do premium subscription, you can click on it, and you would successfully subscribe to it. Then at the top right corner, you see the settings icon. You click on the settings icon, and you wait for the settings page to load on your phone. Once it has loaded, the first thing you're going to see is choose mode. That's the first option on the settings icon. And then you see the next thing is the date mode. So if you want to hide your dates, you can just click on the button that is just in front of the date mode. Then you'll be asked if you want to turn off your date or you want to cancel. So that's by the way. So you keep scrolling down the page. You can also see you see snooze here. If you want to snooze your messages or your chat, you can do that. You also see auto spotlight. You keep scrolling down the page till you get to location. Location is just after auto spotlight. So once you get to auto spotlight, the next option, which is location, is what you're going to click on, since you want to learn how to change location on Boom Boom. Once you click on the box that is under location showing your current location, you click on it. Once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen, which will tell you if you want to get travel ready. So here you can use the travel mode to change your location. So remember, to change location on Boom Boom, you have to use the travel mode. If you don't use the travel mode, you will not be able to change location. So you have to use the travel mode to change location to wherever you're going to. So it means you're leaving the present location, the current location where you are, and you're traveling to another location. So that is why you have to use the travel mode. So if you're truly ready to change your location, you just read through what is on the drop down. Once you're done with that, you click on the option use travel mode. You click on use travel mode, and you would have to wait for the page to load. Another page will be displayed on your screen. Where at the upper part of the screen, you see the option to fill in. You see the blank space here to fill in where you are traveling to. So if you are traveling to wherever you're traveling to, just click or just type it. You see that I've typed out Canada, and at the lower part of the screen, see that many places in Canada has been displayed on my screen. So it's left to me to just look at the list of the places in Canada. So once I've seen that place I'm going to, then you click on it. You just click on any one of it. Once you click on it, you wait for the page to load. And here, unfortunately, you cannot change your location without subscribing to premium subscription. So if you want to change your location, you have to subscribe to the premium offer on Boom Boom. So there are several premium offer here. You see here, you have the lifetime premium, you have the 6-month premium, you have the 3-month premium, you have the 1 month, and you have the 1 week. So just choose the plan that is just choose a plan that is okay for you, okay? Just choose the one that you can afford, that is affordable to you. So if you want to choose any of this premium plan, make sure that you consider many factors, money factor, and other factors okay, when you're choosing it, so that you not choose the plan that you not be able to afford. So remember, you have to use the travel mode first. You have to click on travel mode to be able to change location. Then once clicking on travel mode, the next thing you would do to successfully change your location is to subscribe to the premium plans available on Boom Boom. It's that simple, okay? You can try it out too. I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to change location on Boom Boom. Thank you.